For many families in Palmetto Bay, insurance is not just another monthly bill. It is part of protecting the people, property, and lifestyle they have worked hard to build. Between homes, vehicles, teen drivers, daily commutes, school activities, weekend plans, and South Florida weather risks, families often need more than basic coverage. They need insurance that fits real life. Choice 1. Insurance helps families in Palmetto Bay compare coverage options with a practical, local approach. Whether you are reviewing your home insurance, shopping for auto insurance, or considering a home and auto bundle in Florida, the right guidance can make the process easier. The goal is simple: help your family understand your options, avoid coverage gaps, and look for smart ways to protect what matters most. Why families in Palmetto Bay need the right insurance coverage. Family insurance in Palmetto Bay can include several types of protection. Many households need home insurance, auto insurance, flood insurance, personal liability protection, and coverage for multiple drivers or vehicles. Some families may also need additional policy reviews as children grow older, vehicles change, or the household's needs become more complex. A family living near coral reef estates may have different insurance concerns than a family closer to Old Cutler. Home values, driving patterns, vehicle usage, property features, and household structure can all affect insurance needs. That is why one-size-fits-all coverage is rarely the best approach. Families need policies that reflect their real risks, their budget, and their long-term goals. What does family insurance usually include? Family insurance is not one single policy. It usually means building the right combination of policies to protect your household. For many families, this starts with home insurance and auto insurance. Home insurance may help protect your house, personal belongings, and liability exposure after certain covered events. Auto insurance may help protect your family financially if there is a covered accident, vehicle damage, or liability claim. Depending on your situation, your family may also want to review flood insurance, umbrella insurance, rental property coverage, or coverage for additional vehicles and drivers. Choice 1 insurance helps families look at these needs together instead of treating each policy separately. Why home and auto bundles can make sense. A home and auto bundle in Florida may help families simplify their insurance. Bundling usually means placing more than one policy, such as home and auto insurance, with the same insurance company or through the same agency relationship. This may make billing, renewals, policy reviews, and communication easier to manage. For busy families in Palmetto Bay, that convenience matters. Instead of tracking several policies in different places, a bundle may help organize coverage under one coordinated plan. In some cases, families may also be eligible for savings or discounts when bundling home and auto coverage. However, bundling should still be reviewed carefully. The lowest bundled price is not always the best fit if the coverage is too limited or the deductibles are not realistic for your family. What should families look for in home insurance? Home insurance should be reviewed with your property, lifestyle, and financial exposure in mind. Families should understand what their policy may cover, what it may exclude, and where additional protection may be needed. This is especially important in South Florida, where homeowners may face concerns related to storms, water damage, roof conditions, wind exposure, and property value changes. A strong home insurance review should include the structure of the home, personal belongings, liability coverage, deductibles, and additional living expense coverage. If your family would need temporary housing after a covered claim, it is important to understand how that part of your policy works. Choice 1 insurance can help explain these details in plain language so your family is not left guessing. What should families look for in auto insurance? Auto insurance needs can change quickly for families. A household with one vehicle and 2 drivers may need a different policy than a family with multiple cars, a teen driver, or a college student who still uses a family vehicle. When reviewing auto insurance, families should consider liability limits, collision coverage, comprehensive coverage, deductibles, uninsured or underinsured, motorist options, rental reimbursement, and roadside assistance. It is also important to review how vehicles are used. A daily commuter vehicle, a newly financed vehicle, and an older family car may not need the exact same coverage. For Palmetto Bay families, a clear policy review can help balance protection and cost. Why local guidance matters for Palmetto Bay families' insurance can be confusing when families try to compare policies on price alone. Two quotes may look similar at first, but they may include different limits, exclusions, deductibles, endorsements, or coverage conditions. A lower price may not always mean better value. Working with a local insurance agency gives families a place to ask questions and compare coverage with context. Choice One Insurance understands that families in Palmetto Bay want reliable protection, practical explanations, and options that fit their budget. A local agency can help you review your policies together and identify areas where your coverage may need attention. That kind of support is especially useful when your household has multiple vehicles, multiple drivers, a mortgage, a new home, or changing family responsibilities. When should families review their insurance coverage? Families should review their insurance coverage at least once a year. It is also smart to review your policies when major life changes happen. These changes may include buying a home, renovating a home, adding a teen driver, purchasing a new vehicle, getting married, welcoming a child, starting a business from home, or seeing a major premium increase. A policy review can also help when your renewal arrives. Instead of automatically accepting a renewal, families can compare options and confirm whether their current coverage still makes sense. In Palmetto Bay, where property values, household needs, and insurance costs can change over time, regular reviews are an important part of protecting your family. How Choice One Insurance helps families compare coverage. Choice One Insurance helps families compare insurance options with a clear and practical process. The team can review your current policies, discuss your coverage needs, explain available options, and help you compare home and auto bundle possibilities. The focus is not only on finding a lower premium, it is also on helping you understand your coverage before you need to file a claim. For families, that peace of mind matters. Whether you live near Coral Reef Estates, along the Old Cutler area, or elsewhere in Palmetto Bay, Choice One Insurance can help you take a closer look at your family's protection plan. Areas we serve. Choice One Insurance serves families throughout Palmetto Bay and nearby Miami-Dade communities, including Coral Reef Estates and the Old Cutler area. If your family is reviewing home insurance, auto insurance, or bundle options, our team can help you compare coverage and look for practical ways to protect your household. FAQs about family insurance in Palmetto Bay. What is family insurance in Palmetto Bay? Family insurance usually refers to the combination of policies a household uses to protect its home, vehicles, belongings, and liability exposure. For many families, this includes home insurance and auto insurance. Can I bundle home and auto insurance in Florida? Yes, many families can explore home and auto bundle options in Florida. Bundling may help simplify policy management and may create savings opportunities depending on the carrier and household. Is bundling always the cheapest option? Not always. Bundling can sometimes help reduce costs, but the best option depends on the coverage, deductibles, limits, and overall policy value. It is important to compare both bundled and separate policy options. Why should families review insurance every year? Families should review insurance every year because vehicles, drivers, home values, coverage needs, and premiums can change. An annual review helps confirm whether your current policies still fit your household. What insurance coverage should families with teen drivers review? Families with teen drivers should review liability limits, collision coverage, comprehensive coverage, deductibles, and possible discounts. Adding a young driver can change insurance needs and costs. Do Palmetto Bay families need flood insurance? Some Palmetto Bay families may want to review flood insurance, depending on their property location, lender requirements, and risk tolerance. Flood coverage is usually separate from standard home insurance. What should I bring to an insurance review? It helps to bring your current home and auto insurance policies, vehicle information, driver details, mortgage information if applicable, and questions about your coverage or premium. For more information, visit www.choiceoneinsurance.net or call us at 305-252-1873.